hands. I do struggle with opening jars, especially if I have to have a really good grip. So things like child-proof locks are quite difficult. Opening jars for the first time can be quite hard. Things that involve quite detailed openings, so I do struggle with things like getting little tiny seals off squeeze packs and things like that, and also opening things that don't have a big enough area for me to grab when I'm opening. So for example, kind of little fruit containers or tomato paste containers or things like that. I usually just get a knife and stab them. The other thing that I really struggle with, which you wouldn't even really think of, is squeeze bottles. And there's nothing more frustrating to me than when I buy a beautiful, expensive kind of cosmetic cream of some kind and I'm unable to squeeze the last kind of third out because I don't have the grip strength. And I have to start attacking it with scissors so that I can get it in there.
Everyday products, water bottles, jars. Sometimes I have a range of tools, but of course I don't carry them all the time, so it depends.
Ones I struggle with the most in general are the ones that are bonded, glued on packagings, like often meat packaging with Woolworths or Coles or whatever brand, major supermarket packages are. They're too bonded into the surface and I can't, for me it takes hours to duration minutes to elaborate or pull the strip out. Often I've just got to cut it and get frustrated and cut it, which is I'm sure not the ideal way of solving the solution. That's my solution to it.
There's lots. It's really hard to probably differentiate any particular product. Like seals, opening like cheesy crackers, winding the toothpaste lids, and then taking the silver wrappers off the top of the casings, drinks. It's really hard to say one particular product.
Medical jars, like I take a lot of medication, 22 tablets a day, and there's broken up into 9-day ones, and I can't even push through the Webster packs, which is just crazy.